Hello everyone, welcome again to your favorite channel Maths Guy. Our today's topic is about 4 arithmetic operations on rational numbers. This is exercise 1.3 of your textbook's Mathematics 7. If fractions and decimals confuse you, this video is exactly what you need. Today we are breaking down arithmetic operations on rational numbers in the easiest way possible. No stress, no confusion. From addition and subtraction to multiplication and division, everything will be finally make sense. At the end of this video, you won't just understand rational numbers, you will master them. Let's jump in. Before moving on to the main topic of applying arithmetic operations on rational numbers, we must know what do we mean by rational numbers. Actually, they are a set of numbers which can be expressed in the form of fraction a or b, where a is the numerator and b is the denominator, but make sure the denominator must not be 0. Rational numbers can be in the form of fractions or decimals, whether positive or negative. Now let's recall the concept of 4 basic arithmetic operations, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we will step by step learn how to apply them on rational numbers. In this video, we will cover the topic of addition and subtraction of rational numbers, and in subsequent video, we will cover the concept of multiplication and division of rational numbers. So first recall the rules of addition and subtraction of rational numbers as you have already studied in your previous classes. For addition and subtraction of rational numbers with different denominators can be done easily by taking the LCM of the denominators. After taking the LCM of the denominators, we will add and subtract the numerators as the denominators will be same. Then we will give our answer in the lowest term or in the simplified form. Now let's move on to the main topic, that is addition and subtraction of rational numbers. This is exercise 1.3 of your textbook 7, and these are some of the parts which I'm going to solve in front of you in this video of question number 1, 2 and 3. Remaining questions are similar to these questions which you can do yourself. Now let's start. This is question number 1 part 5. Add 3/4 and minus 6/5. We have to add them. First of all, we will put the arithmetic operator of addition in between these two fractions. Now we have two signs in between, and we will resolve them into a single sign by using the rules of integers. As you all know that both are unlike fractions, it means the denominators are different. So we have to make the common denominators, and to make common denominators, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. And the denominators are 4 and 5, and their LCM is 20. So let's make their common denominator. 3/4 will be multiplied by 5, minus 6 by 5 will be multiplied by 4 to make their denominator 20. Now we will resolve these two signs into a single operator, and according to the rules of integers, plus minus is minus. So now we have a negative sign in between like this. Now this 15 has a positive sign and this 24 has a negative sign. So plus minus is minus, and we put the value of a greater value. So we will put the negative sign with the answer and we will subtract them. After subtraction, we get minus 9 and denominator will remain the same. Now exercise 1.3 question number 2 part 1. Again we have two fractions or two rational numbers and we have to add them. As you know that we have a negative sign over here with the first fraction, and we have a negative sign with the second fraction also, and in between them, as we have to add the both fractions, we will put the addition symbol in between them. And you all know we cannot add any rational number unless and until we have a common denominators. So we will take the LCM of the denominators, and the LCM of 40 and 14 is 280. Now we will make their denominators same. 40 into 7 is 280 and 14 into 20 is 280. and we get minus 21 over 280. This is the negative sign which have been placed with the numerator now. It's okay, you put it with the denominator or numerator, it doesn't matter. And here we have minus 100 over 280. Again we have two signs now, and we will resolve them into a single symbol with the rules of integers. Plus minus is minus, so we have now minus sign in between them. And again with the rules of integers, minus minus is plus, and we will put the sign of a greater value. We will put the symbol of minus sign with the answer, but we will add them as minus minus is plus. So our answer is minus 121 over 280. This is the final answer. Now again exercise 1.3, question number 2, part 3. This time we have three fractions. As you all know the rules of addition, we have to take the LCM, and the LCM of the denominators 4, 5 and 20 is 20. Now let's make their denominators same or common. We will multiply 4 by 5, 5 by 4. Now the fractions we got are 15 by 20 minus 8 by 20 minus 7 by 20. Now we will subtract them step by step. First of all we will subtract 8 from 15, then from the answer we will subtract 7, and the final answer will be 0 by 20, which means 0. Very easy question. Now exercise 1.3, question number 3, part 2. This time we have to subtract. What? We have to subtract minus 7 by 6 from 5 by 18. It means 5 by 18. We will write it first, and we will subtract minus 7 by 6 from this, and we will write this fraction later. So this is our final question, that we have to subtract minus 7 by 6 from 5 by 18. As you all know, the rules of addition and subtraction of fractions are same. We have to take the LCM, and then we will make the common denominators. So LCM of 18 and 6 is 18. We will multiply this 6 by 3 to make it 18 as well. And we get 5 by 18 plus 21 by 18. Why we have this addition symbol over here? Because minus minus is plus. Here two minus signs are multiplying, and ultimately they become plus sign. That's why we have an addition symbol in between them now. So we will add them, and after addition we get 26 by 18, and the simplest form or the simplified term of this fraction is 13 by 9. Again we have a question of subtraction, but this time the subtraction symbol is already placed in between the two rational numbers. This is question number 4 of your textbook, exercise 1.3. As you can see, we have a mixed number over here. So this time our first step is to resolve this mixed number to the improper fraction by multiplying this denominator by this whole number and adding the numerator. So 5 into 1 is 5 plus 1, 6. So our final question will be 6 by 5 minus 7 by 14. So the next step is to take the LCM and make the common denominators. So the LCM of 5 and 14 is 70. Here you can see. Now let's make the common denominator. 6 by 5 multiplied by 14, we get 17 denominator, and 14 into 5 is 70. Now we got 84 by 70 minus 35 by 70, and after subtraction we get 49 by 70, and the simplest form or the lowest term of this fraction is 7 by 10. Now question number 4, part 5. 4 by 9 minus 5 by minus 9. We have to subtract minus 5 by minus 9 from 4 by 9. The first step is to resolve these negative signs. We can eliminate them to make this fraction positive. Now our final question is 4 by 9 minus 5 by 9. As they are like fractions, because their denominators are same already, so there is no need to take the LCM now. We will just follow the rules of integers. Plus minus, we have a plus sign over here and minus sign over here. Plus minus is minus. We will subtract and put the sign of a greater number. So the answer will be minus 1 over 9. Now exercise 1.3, question number 4, part 7. Here again we have to subtract as we have a minus symbol in between the two fractions. First of all, let's make this question more simple. How? We will eliminate these two negative signs to make this fraction positive, just like we did in the previous question. Now we have positive 5 by 8, and these negative and negative sign will also multiply with each other and we get an addition symbol again. Now this is the final question, that 5 by 8 will be added to 3 by 7 after resolving these signs. Now we will make the common denominators, and the LCM of 8 and 7 is 56. So 8 into 7 and 7 into 8. Now we have 35 by 56 plus 24 by 56, and the final answer is 59 by 56. This was the end of this video. I hope you understood the concept of addition and subtraction of rational numbers. My next video will be about the remaining parts, which involves multiplication and division of rational numbers. So stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and like and share also.